Okay, so in this box, I got something to replace this. So let's get it out. And this is the Kludge R75. As you can see, it comes with this manual, and we'll check out the keyboard in a sec. But any accessories? A cable, a keycap and switch puller, and some extra switches. For the keyboard itself, it actually looks really nice. Now let's plug it in. Oh my gosh. Now it comes with these PBT keycaps, and the switches are factory lube linear. And now for the typing test. So if you're looking for a keyboard in the $60 price range, definitely check this one out. You can change the color.